Welcome to day 2 of virtual math days. Today we're going to talk about some shapes. So I have some pattern blocks today that you might have played with in your classroom and how these pattern blocks can go together to make some new shapes. So we have this shape is a hexagon, we have a triangle, and today I'm going to show you how you can do this on your computer or how you can print some off to do this at your house. So over here, I'm going to link this website so you can play with it, but you have your shapes and you can pull your shapes to make some different designs. So I can make, over here, maybe a little snowman. That could be my snowman. I could even draw on it or some drawing on him as well and give him some eyes. Oh, give him some eyes and a nose and a mouth. And then over here, there's even some pictures you can click on. And if you click on those pictures, then you can get, maybe you want a rocket ship, and then you can design your own rocket ship. So over here, I designed a car by putting these shapes together. So here's something that you can do at home today, and I hope you have a great Wednesday.
Hi boys and girls, welcome to Virtual Math Days Day 2. So for 3 through 5, we're going to be playing Battleship. But what is neat about this version of Battleship is you're actually going to be able to create your own boards. We're going to show you how to do that. And so how it starts is you can go just Google search graph paper, and you are going to draw on the X and Y axis. But first thing you need to do is you need to fold your piece of graph paper in half. Then you are going to open it up. We're going to take just a line and draw all the way across that midline just to mark it, just so we know where that's at. And then we're going to draw our x-axis. And our x-axis goes horizontal, so it's going to go across the paper. And I'm going to make sure that I skip a block so that I leave myself room to write when I draw that y-axis here in just a second. So I'm going to follow it almost all the way across the paper, and then I'm going to draw my arrow here. And then we're going to draw up the paper. And as we draw up, we are drawing our y-axis, and that runs vertically. And then I'm going to mark that x and y. And then this midpoint, or right here where these two meet, that is going to be point 0, 0. So 0, 0. Then I'm just going to go up and I'm just going to number them. So on each line, I'm just going to put a number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops, I should have gone up one more. 10. Then I will do the same thing going across. And shout out to Miss Titchener who has done this. So we already have this one done, and this is what it should look like when it's finished. And then we are going to put our ships on our paper, which as you can see I have already done, but I'll kind of show you how I did that. So you have it where it says you need to put 2 ships that are sitting on 2 ordered pairs. So I have mine on 1, 9 stretching to 1, 10. Then I will do another one, and I'm going to put that at 2 and 4. Now we'll connect those like that. And you will just do that. You kind of place them wherever, and as you mark your ordered pairs. So then I will have this set up, and this is actually for you to call your opponent's ships, and this is going to be where you mark that, and you will need a red and a black marker for that, and me and Miss Kirk are going to demonstrate how you play back and forth. So I have my battleship board already drawn out, and Miss Kirk does as well. So I am going to, we're going to use book boxes. You can use whatever you have at home just to kind of separate the two of you so you can't really see each other's boards and that you can mark. your graph paper a little easier. So Ms. Kirk, I'm gonna go ahead and let you go first.
Okay. 4, 7.
So I'm gonna go down here to my x-axis. I'm gonna look at 4, and I'm gonna go up to the 7, and I do have a ship at 4 and 7. So she is gonna mark a hit with a red marker. So I would also, on my part, I would also put a red dot there showing that part of my ship had been hit. So then I'm going to call out 1 to her, and I'm going to say 6 and 5.
Miss.
Okay, so then I would mark 6 and 5 up here on my upper part of my battleship because I called across to Miss Kirk, and I'm going to put a black dot at 6 and 5 to know that I missed. Okay, I hope you guys have a great time playing this at home. I look forward to seeing you all on our next virtual math day. Bye, guys.